Okay, we have a Haas vertical machining center. It's a 5-axis Haas VF5D40TR. New in 2009, serial number 1073690. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Haas control. You have the remote pendant. It has the Haas trunnion rotary table. Right now he's moving the trunnion. You have 50 inches of X travel, 26 of Y, 25 of Z. The platen diameter is 8.3 inches. He's moving the platen right now. It's 360-degree rotation. Table tilt plus or minus 120. You have a 10,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40, side mount tool changer with the larger 40 position ATC. You hear the axes are all quiet. It says cover noise, it's the X. At 2,000 RPM. Machine also comes equipped with Renishaw probe and whips, wireless intuitive probe system. 4,000. $7,500. Again, the machine does go up to 10,000 RPM, and you have a 20 horsepower vector drive in there. Tool change. Another. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.